Life goes on and 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 on.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different, a little exciting for me. I actually bought a camera. I know. So hear me out. I couldn't decide which one to get. I was stuck between the Sony zv-1 and the Canon G7X Mark II because I've heard the Mark III is trash, so that was a no for me. But I finally decided on one, and it only took about 3 days to get here. And I actually have it right here. I want to unbox it with you guys. So I have it right here. We're going to unbox it. And we're also going to unbox some accessories that I ordered from Amazon. So let's do that right now. So let's actually start with the camera first, because that's what I'm most excited about. And I got it yesterday, but I wanted to wait until today. So like I did already mention, I got the Sony zv-1. I chose this one for many reasons, which I will get into. But this is what the box, well, you can't even see, bro, because it has like a big shipping label. Sony zv-1 is the one I got. And like I said, it was between this one and the G7X Mark II, but this one just had a lot more features that I could not miss out on. So let me actually show you guys. It has great autofocus. It has NG filters built into it. This is just the manual stuff. And it also has like, what's it called, like a beauty filter, a blurring effect. I don't know. And here's what comes inside. So it just comes with the little charging cable, because with this camera you actually need to buy like the thing that like charges your actual battery. It also comes with, there's a term for this, I don't know, is it called like dead rat or like dead cat? I don't know what it's called, but this is to prevent the wind from messing up your audio when recording like outside and stuff. And then we have the actual camera, which is right here. And it also just comes with one battery, which again sucks, but it is what it is. So that's all that comes in the box. And let me go ahead and open this for you. So it looks like this. Oh my gosh. It's actually not that heavy, but it has a little like screen. And the screen is not touch screen, which was an also like con for me, but I didn't really care. And it flips out instead of the G7X flips up. But this is because this part goes here. Let me actually try to put this on here. I need to learn how to use this. Oh, there we go. So this part comes off, so then you're able to slide this in. It just slides in like that. And then, ooh, it looks so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Amazon package so I can put the SIM card in the camera and start recording on it. And okay. So I just got the SanDisk 64 gigabytes, and I also got a tripod for the car, and this one sticks to either your dashboard or your windshield. So I also want to test this out in this video. It seems pretty heavy duty, so hopefully it works well. I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. And also, I do want to say that this camera actually does shoot in 4K, which is also like another plus for me. So this is what it looks like. And I do want to say this is my first camera ever. So if I don't know what I'm doing, you'll probably figure that out. But I'm going to go ahead and insert the battery. I know it's somewhere. Okay. You slide it and it opens. So I don't really know how this goes. I think this part goes down. Oh yeah, it even shows you has an arrow right there. Hopefully it's charged too. And then it clicks. And then this as well. I think it goes this way. right? Okay, so let's see if we can turn it on now. Now that I turned it on, it's showing me what language I want, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. So it's also asking me the date and time. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and then I'll get back to you guys. It's gonna be hard not to look over here because the camera is right here. I want to do a comparison on the iPhone versus like the camera itself. So obviously I feel like you can really tell the quality difference. I know there's a button. Is it this one? There's a button that focus you can cancel. Like it blurs out the background and then it's not blurry anymore, right? And also I need to charge this camera so bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm charging the camera. You can actually charge the camera while you are recording. That little thing is like a little plug that's showing that you're charging it. But this is what it looks like. Flip out screen. And you can actually like flip this around if you wanted to. Alright, so I've just been figuring out all the settings and stuff, kind of seeing what I prefer, you know, in the settings. And I've been playing around with it. But like I said, I have 2 weeks to decide whether or not I'm going to keep this camera. Just because it's my first camera and I don't really know much about cameras. So I still have the option to decide whether or not I'm going to keep it or go with another one. But I don't know, I kind of wanted to test like the autofocus to see like how well it works. But I don't know if it's going to work because right now I have it set up to where it's like it focuses on my face. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty good. Look, it's pretty fast if you ask me. So this is just an example because I don't know what else. Because I've heard the autofocus was really good. I did want to go outside and do like a audio comparison on my phone with the camera because it was windy, but now it's raining, so I'm not going outside. But I'm gonna vlog for the next few days and see how this works. So okay, hi everyone. So as you can see, this is the camera on the tripod in the car. It's all right. I am able to move it up or down depending on how high I like it. Okay, so this is where I have the tripod and you just screw the camera in right here. This is where I have my phone. This is the only thing that was holding my phone, which I know is kind of crazy, but it actually like fit there, and I would just turn it so that would be like this. But now that I have that, I can have a better view of everything. And I just got to school right now. And I also wanted to show you guys the charger because it is like USB. So I am able to actually put it in like right here, since I have a little USB thing. And then I could just like, obviously it won't reach all the way, but I can add a little adapter and then I can connect it while I'm charging it and while it's on the tripod. And the cool thing about this camera is that it will also fit in like a little bag like this. So it's not too huge. It'll fit in pretty much every bag, and as well as maybe even my pocket. So I'm gonna show you guys now with my phone what the camera looks like on the tripod when it's screwed in and everything. So this is what the camera looks like on the tripod, and this is what it will look like when the screen is flipped out. And like I said, I could connect the charger right here and then just pull it up. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all. This is pretty steady. As you can see, it's on the windshield. And then you can move this button so you can adjust it to make it go higher or lower. And then this one moves this. So depending on how high or low I want the camera to be looking. But overall, it's a pretty good tripod. I will link it down below for you guys if you guys want to check it out, as well as the actual camera. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here because I have to go inside for school. But thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Life goes on and on and on and on and